Menteri rang ba ka jela ukonrat kongkal sang ma ulong ba ka Kynhun Myntri kala ajing menjur ban penkelai ka Meghalaya Public Service Commission Limitation of Functions Regulations kat kandai sepanyo puar. Dak ba Pynduh ono ya ka Regulation 3F. Kani kidi kejing penkala ka ba kraw da kejing temu ban Pynlong ya kejing thungkam ka ba Khuid ka banlong renti bat ka ba pensyong nongrem kat kum kejing wan chakmat. Ulong ba ka kendon jong kejing thungkam shipor hapok jong ka 3F kreitang ya kat to ka dikidaw ka ba mlakir. Dari gisnam ke belalek ke dalam penban sekejeng wan rak ki kendong kendram bat kala penjerong ya kejing thungkam shipor kinong tray. Dari menta da kejing don ya ki recruitment board ka jeng penbet renti ya kerukom tray kam kejing thungkam ba kejing ya chakamat bantit lupa kejing lat kam da ka biak lupa ke por ke babun. Kumta on don kam thansyo ya ka regulation 3F. Bukan rat kongkal sang mau lo menang ni chakamat kinu kinu jing thungkam ki budan kam hok ki belong tang shipor kejing thungkam kan long no da ka kontrak. Tat hado banda pendap kejing thungkam ka bapura. Ulong bagani kejing penkela kan penklan pentikina bagan don kejing paka bagajing Khuid kejing thungkam ya kinong tray ki bana jing syakri ya ki pat ba.
And then of course the pressure came on us to regularize them and all those kind of things, and therefore these kind of provisions have created a lot of complication in the system. Similarly, there was a position called officiating, and as you're aware, officiating basically is a simple point that if there was a regular employee, if the regular employee had taken leave for 3 months, then the department concerned could bring another person to officiate on his or her behalf till the person joined back. Now, what happened in our system and in departments through the years was that once the officiating person was relieved or was meant to be relieved because the original person who was working had come back from his or her leave, in many of the cases, the officiating continued. So the officiating person was getting a scale. So for example, if you're getting, 30,000 rupees per month as per the scale and as per the sanctioned post, an officiating person came in between to work on that person's place, and the old person came back after the break. In many departments, this officiating person continued at 30,000 rupees without a sanctioned post. So which means we had two officiatings or a double officiating that took place. And there were thousands of such cases where we had a lot of people who were there for officiating purpose, but ended up becoming permanent in one way because they were given scale, but there was never a sanctioned post for that second person who was officiating temporarily. And we stopped that officiating. So we stopped the concept of officiating because it was creating number of multiple layers. And similarly, what we did for that is what we did today. The 3F deletion is going to be a very, very important step, and I feel it's a major step. It could have some inconvenience for some time, but in the larger interest of the personnel department working in much more simpler, smoother manner, this is removing a lot of the unnecessary mechanisms that are there. Of course, if we do not do the reforms of creating, like, for example, additional boards, then I agree that this removal of the 3F would not work. But because the reforms are being done, including combining exams, including having multiple recruitment boards, we strongly feel that the 3F provision is not required anymore, and hence the cabinet today decided to remove the 3F from the Meghalaya Public Service Commission's Limitation of Functions, Regulation 1972.